It is the go-to pan for any chef that's doing high heat cooking. Carbon steel is the cast iron in Europe. It is the centerpiece of all European families. When we were launching Made In, we thought about what we were going to use for high heat cooking that was naturally non-stick. We went carbon steel instead of cast iron.
We were a new brand at the time, a year old. We didn't really know how people were going to receive this product. And then day one and day two, the entire batch sold out. From there on, started adding to the carbon steel collection, and it grew into a really significant portion of our business. And now we're the #1 player in carbon steel in the United States.
My family has been selling carbon steel since at least the early 1970s. It is the go-to pan for searing, charring. It's indestructible. It's the same ingredients as cast iron. It's iron and carbon, except it's a disc that's punched. And because they're punching a disc, you can have thinner walls, which means heats up a lot faster and it's lighter to move around a stovetop.
The same products that we sell to the consumer are also the same products that our chef customers use as well. And when you think about a professional kitchen, they're not turning their stove on and off throughout the night. They're leaving their stove on cranked because they're putting out 200, 300, 400 dishes at a time. So they need a pan that can take an insane amount of heat that won't mess up. And carbon steel is that material.
There's a lot of care and quality that's put into making it. Buying something that's going to last a lifetime, something that you can hand down, it's like creating an heirloom.
We decided to rivet a stainless steel handle because it looks better, it's more durable, it's easier to clean. You can apply a lot more pressure to the handle of the pan without it warping or breaking. Stainless clad or aluminum, you cook on too high heat, stuff gets burnt onto it. With a carbon pan, that becomes seasoning.
You have to see this because the pan is heating from the inside and out, not from the outside and in. With this IR laser, we heat it up to 350 degrees within a minute. You can start cooking right away when it's seasoned. Now we have done this step for you.
It's impossible to kill these pans. Made into the video where we left this outside for 30 days, built up all this natural rust. You can scrub it down with a chain scrubby and then season it all over again.
Gonna last you forever. You'll never have to clean it again. It takes 2 seconds to wipe it out. It'll get better and better as you use it. You can throw it in a fire. It becomes this kind of indestructible carbon steel beauty that is just a really awesome joy to cook with.